繼續都係2025年嘅 DSE Bio 啦，咁我嚟到最後兩條啦，35、36條都係根據以下呢個 table 啦，去答一啲題目啦。咁一齊望一望條題目啦。Questions 35 and 36 refer to the table below, which shows the results on the growth of bacteria X, which is capable of infecting human wounds in three different media 啦。咁啊，中文嘅同學仔咧，即係話俾你聽，以下呢幅圖啦，其實顯示緊我哋嘅細菌 X 嘅生長啦。咁呢個細菌 X 咧，其實係可以去感染我哋人類嘅傷口嘅。咁啊喺三個唔同嘅介質入面啦，咁我哋一齊望一望條題目究竟問緊啲乜嘢啦。咁啊條題目就問 Which of the following regarding tea tree oil M can be deduced from the above table 啦，就問緊你以下 A、B、C、D 四個句子啦，邊一個句子關於呢個茶樹油 M 其實係可以推論至我哋上面嗰幅個表咧？咁啊，記住題目嘅字眼係 deduce from the above table，即係代表我哋要根據上圖嘅 information 去答呢條題目。即係話俾你聽，呢條題目其實唔需要用你嘅已有知識，唔需要用你嘅課本知識，純粹考你識唔識得運用數據去答呢條題目嘅啫。咁呢條題目其實就唔難嘅，你只要識得運用數據去整合個能力，咁你就識得答噶啦。咁啊，逐個答案去睇啦。咁啊 A 啦就話 Tea tree oil M is more effective in inhibiting the growth of bacteria X than tea tree oil N。咁啊，關於我哋嘅 bacteria X 啦，佢就話茶樹油 M 咧，其實就更加有效去抑制我哋嘅去抑制個細菌 X 啦，相對比我哋嘅茶樹油 N。咁我一齊望一望啦。咁啊，見到呢一度，我哋睇呢兩行就已經得噶啦。其實如果 A 呢個 choice，咁啊 culture medium 啦，就要用30分鐘嘅時間就會 double 咗我哋嘅細菌 X 嘅數量啦。咁如果我哋個 culture medium 再加我哋嘅茶樹油 N 咧，都係30分鐘喎。但係如果我哋加茶樹油 M 嘅話咧，就變咗用80分鐘。咁啊，即係代表我哋用茶樹油 M 其實係真係可以 inhibit 咗個 bacteria X 嘅 growth 嘅喎。因為你諗下先，佢話 double the number of bacteria X 啊嘛，即係佢將細菌 X 個數量翻倍嘅時間啦。咁即係代表如果個翻倍時間越長，即係代表佢抑制嘅作用越好咯，係咪？咁我哋望一望我哋嘅對照實驗先，即係我哋嘅 culture medium 呢個啦。即係我哋第三呢個項啦，呢個係對照實驗嚟噶嘛，係咪？咁對照實驗乜嘢茶樹油都冇加嘅時候，要用30分鐘。咁加咗我哋嘅茶樹油 N 嘅時候，亦都要用30分鐘喎。咁即係代表呢個茶樹油 N 其實好似冇料到啦，係咪？即係你加咗佢之後，都係用30分鐘就令到細菌 X 可以 double 咗喎，即係冇乜料啦，係咪？但係相比嚟講，我哋茶樹油 M 用80分鐘喎，即係加咗茶樹油 M 之後，個時間係耐咗好多喎，係咪？即係由30分鐘變咗80分鐘喎，咁即係顯示其實茶樹油 M 其實係 more effective in inhibiting the growth of bacteria X 咯，咁所以 A 已經係一個答案噶啦，咁所以 A 其實就已經係正確答案啦。但係我哋成日都講啦，作為考生，我哋要確保自己萬無一失，就一定要睇埋 B、C、D 三個 choice 點解佢哋係錯啦，係咪？咁啊，逐個睇啦，咁啊 B 啦，Tea tree oil M is more effective in healing wound in human beings than tea tree oil N。佢就話啦，茶樹油 M 咧，其實相對比茶樹油 N 咧，就更加有效啦，去幫我哋嘅細菌嘅愈合，即係個傷口愈合啦，healing wounds。咁啊，同學仔望清楚先，佢話 effective in healing wound 喎，成條題目就係講話呢個細菌 X 可以感染我哋嘅傷口。有冇話幫助我哋嘅傷口愈合先？你望一望成條題目，成個 table 有冇講過話幫助我哋嘅傷口愈合先？冇啊嘛，係咪啊？咁咪即係又係我哋成日講咯，data 都冇提及到，咁點揀咧？係咪？即係我哋揀咗嘅話，咪即係我哋腦補得太多咯。咁所以 B 就唔係一個正確嘅答案啦。咁啊，繼續去啦，咁啊 C 啦，就話 The tea tree oil M lower the rate of respiration of bacteria X by 20%。咁啊，呢個 choice 都幾多同學仔去揀啊？點解？因為好多同學見到，哇20%，望一望中間呢行，哇 percentage change of the amount of protein P for respiration in bacteria X 真係減咗20%喎。咁啊即刻過去揀啦。數據有顯示又20%，又啱喎，又係個 tea tree oil M 喎，即刻揀 C。咁啊，同學仔太快啦，唔小心啦。點解啊？因為你望一望 C 個 choice 同佢呢一個嘅字眼有冇咩唔同啊？有 C 個答案就話減慢咗個 rate of respiration 20%，但係個題目話俾我哋聽，佢係個 percentage change of the amount of protein P for respiration in bacteria X，即係佢係令到個 amount of protein P for respiration 減少咗20%， 係個 protein P 減少咗20%，而唔係成個 rate of respiration 減少咗20%。咁所以兩樣講緊嘅嘢都唔 make，即係都唔大家都唔相符合嘅嘢。咁你點可以作為一個答案咧？係咪？咁所以其實 C 亦都唔係一個正確答案咯，因為同條題目嘅字眼係有分別㗎。你如果揀嘅話，即係你又腦補得太多咯。人哋話 amount of protein P 減少20%，唔代表個 rate of respiration 減少20%㗎嘛？係咪？你諗下先，係咪先？係啦，咁所以 C 亦都唔係一個正確嘅答案。咁我繼續睇埋 dot 啦喎，dot 啦喎就話 T3all M reduce translation and dose the rate of respiration in bacteria X。咁啊，即係話俾我哋聽，因為茶樹油 M 咧就可以減慢咗我哋嘅 translation，中文同我哋即係轉譯嘅過程啦。咁所以就會令到我哋個 rate of respiration 都會慢咗。呢樣嘢你望一望個數據顯示緊啲咩先？個數據就話俾我哋聽個 percentage change of the amount of protein P for Q for translation 減少20%啦，跟住就話 percentage change of amount of protein P for respiration 減少20%。其實我哋講緊嘅永遠都係我哋嘅乜嘢啊？amount of protein P，amount of protein Q 係講緊我哋嘅蛋白質 P 同埋蛋白質 Q 啊嘛。其實係唔係直接講緊我哋個 translation 同埋 rate of respiration 啊？其實唔係啊嘛，咁所以我哋唔知，我哋唔揀得。另外一個錯誤就係呢度佢講嘅話，reduce translation and dose the rate of respiration and dose 即係因為少咗 translation，所以就少咗個 rate of respiration，即係佢俾咗個因果關係你，但其實成條題目有冇顯示過呢個因果關係啊？人哋條題目都冇講過呢個因果關係，我哋點可以透過上面個 table 自己 deduce 到出嚟咧？係咪？即使佢哋真係有呢個關係，但係上面個圖係顯示唔到噶嘛？咁所以 D 我哋亦都唔應該揀咯。咁所以由始至終，我哋正確嘅答案只有一個，就係 A 啦。咁其實呢個題目就唔係好難嘅，因為當年嘅答題比率都高嘅。你望一望，其實35條揀啱 A 嘅同學仔有68%嘅。咁所以其實呢啲題目咧，同學仔只要小心就答得啱嘅咧。最緊要我哋成日講話乜嘢？題目有 given 嘅嘢你先好揀，題目冇提及過嘅嘢你自己唔好腦補得太多，因為你腦補得太多嘅話，你就會好容易中咗佢個 trap，就自然失咗分。呢啲題目其實唔係考緊 bio，其實考緊你識唔識得運用數據嘅能力啊。咁所以同學仔一定要小心睇題目，人哋講明 deduce from the above table，即係要上面個 table 有顯示嘅嘢，你先好作為答案；冇顯示嘅嘢，你就唔好腦補太多，千祈唔好咁樣去揀個答案，知唔知道？